This is how we can take off the instrument cluster gauge dashboard from the Volvo 2006. It's pretty simple, as much I figured. You need to take out this piece from both sides. One is over here, one is over here. I already take off this. It's just as a clamps, so it's slowly you gotta pull it out, except the another end, which one is broken on mine, because you gotta slide it on the right to pull it out. Here we have a one screw to hold this plastic on the top of the bottoms, and behind this we are receiving two screws on the cluster. Same in here. After remove the plastic, the wood looking piece, we have two screws we are taking out. Here we have only one cable to plug out on the headlights and the emergency flashers. This piece goes on the top. I just smash on the top, like simply pop out by itself, and cluster comes off. Not really very simply easy. You just need to move like right, left on the top, and as well there on the back we have like 3 cables plugged in. As I see, it says numbers ABC. So my gauges now work well, so it goes to the repair. I have a guy in Chicago, Illinois. He said that he's taking $250 to fix it, but my air pressure gauge was failing, my fuel was showing always like quarter less, speedometer is lying a little bit, the water temperature was going up, even the water temperature was fine, 180, depends working condition, and all my oil pressure was standing 60, and after acceleration it was hitting over 90, which one is scary. So that's all. Very simple. Hope this helps you out.